Yo, welcome back everybody. Welcome back to another video from the Legend Dad. This video is around about a question that gets asked a lot of the times from small or new streamers. Where or how to get a free video editor? Well, I may have the answer for you in Clipchamp. So let's get over and let's see how to get this video. Right guys, so let's get into this video and let's get ourselves a free video editor. The first thing you want to do, guys, is either on the bottom, access Microsoft Store, or head to the Start menu and type Microsoft Store. As you saw, my Microsoft Clipchamp comes up because we've already got it. Yours may not. If it does, bonus. If not, head into the Microsoft Store and type Microsoft Clipchamp. And you want the Clipchamp, not the premium, guys. So head on over and you want to just click on download. I am going to update mine while I am here. So once you've downloaded that, guys, as mine is downloading. There we go, guys. It took no time at all. Once you have downloaded, guys, just simply click on the open button. If you have closed this menu, just go ahead to the start menu. It should actually appear on your pinned now. If not, just type Microsoft and it should appear Microsoft Clipchamp. And let's open that up. It may take a while, guys, with it being the first one. And here you have Microsoft Clipchamp. And you have all templates. You have YouTube templates, Instagram templates, gaming templates, slideshow, and many more text options. As you can see, I have done some of my... I do use this as some of my editing, guys. And what you want to do, if you want to click from start, you know how to video edit. Simply click from start. And you just head over and import your media. And just simply, once you've imported it, just drag and drop, guys. This is a big tool also, which is split. This is how you can split it up. Or if you've got two different videos, put it together. If you click on the add symbol, you can simply add a transition, guys. So what this will do is if you add barn doors, it should, I don't know why it didn't. Okay, it's not, it should separate it into maybe because it's the same video, guys, but it will actually split it into a scene and give you the barn doors, guys. Like you see, you can add your text, you can add templates, and a quick tip for you guys, there will be a video on this. Like if you head over to here, it all has your sizes in, and the 9:16 is perfect for shorts. I will tag the shorts video in the description for you guys watching at a later date. Thank you so much for watching, guys. That was a video on how to get a free video editor in Microsoft Clipchamp. All you have to do is head to the Microsoft Store, download it for free. And if you did find this video of liking to yours, please don't forget to drop a like, hit that subscribe, and share the content out for more, guys. But from me, that is goodbye, and I will catch you on the next one.